Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Occidental Tamarindo, an all-inclusive resort in the gorgeous Guanacaste area of Costa Rica. Whether you want to chill or have an adventure, this place has a lot to offer. But like any spa, it has good and not so good points. Let's dive in. Location: the resort is right on Playa Langosta, a quiet beach with amazing ocean view. Compared to the busy Tamarindo beach nearby, this spot is super peaceful. The sunsets are incredible, and you might spot howler monkeys or iguanas, which makes it feel like you're in a nature show. Rooms. The rooms are clean and comfy, but some people say they look a bit old. If you're hoping for super fancy modern rooms, you might be disappointed. Still, the beds are cozy, and the balconies or terraces are perfect for sipping coffee with a tea breeze. Want a tip? Book a premium room if you can. They often have a better view and more space. The food is mixed bag. The resort has a buffet and a la carte restaurant and a beachside grill. The buffet has okay variety, but the quality can be a hit or miss. The la carte spots, like the Italian and Asian restaurants, get better views, but you need to book early. If you're not on the all-inclusive plan, try local sodas, small Costa Rican eateries nearby for cheap tasty meals. Activities: there's plenty to do here. The pool area is awesome, and they offer daily activities like yoga and dance classes. The evening shows are fun, especially for families. The staff is super friendly and keeps things lively. One downside: some guests say the nightly entertainment can feel the same after a few days. Downsides: the resort is a bit far from other places. This is great if you want peace, but you'll need a taxi or a rental car to visit Tamarindo town or other attractions. That's the scoop on Occidental Tamarindo. Let me know if you've been there or if you're planning a trip. Stay tuned for more travel reviews. Thank you for being with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Take care. See you in the next one.